Conforming vector can be found in the vectoring toolbar. Conforming vector allows you to conform any vector geometry to a rastered surface. Doing so, it will literally follow whatever that surface is. This works with any vector geometry, whether it's a center line or a route or even just a bit applied. You need to take care when you are using conforming vectors to make sure that when you set the bit up that you're going to use for this, that it does have enough depth to be able to reach whatever you're conforming to. And this is conforming vectors.